Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class. I hope you all are fine. Students, welcome to the science class. This is your science book, which is Science Fact File 1, and we have been starting the second chapter, which is Life and Living Things. In previous lecture, students, we have been starting the sense organs. We know that we have 5 senses: sight, hearing, smell, touch and taste. And in previous lecture we have learned about the sense organs of sight, and which is eye. Today we will cover the topic ear, which is the sense organ of hearing. So let's start the reading and understand the concepts which is given in this topic. Ears are the sense organs of hearing. We have 2 ears, one on each side of the head. These help us to tell where a sound is coming from. Students, each ears tell about the direction of the sound. Sounds are the vibration in the ear. Ears change this vibration into nerve impulses which travel to the brain, where they are interpreted as a sound. Students, there are 3 main parts of the ear: outer ear, which has ear flap, canal and eardrum; the middle ear, which contains 3 small bones; and the inner ear, which consists of cochlea and auditory nerve. Did you know many animals are able to point their ear flaps in different directions? These help them to locate the source of a sound better. Now students, we are going to start the working of the ear and how do ears work. So let's start. You know that your speaker creates the sounds, and sounds particles travel in the air, and these particles captured by the ear, and these particles is converted into electrical signals. These signals sent to the brain, and the brain interpret these signal as a sound. The ear is divided into 3 parts: outer ear, which consists of ear flap, canal and eardrum; and ear flap, which also known as pinna, and it collects the vibration in the ear and send them down a short canal, which is auditory canal, to the eardrum. The eardrums vibrates in time with the vibration in the ear and pass this vibration to the middle ear. And the middle ear consists of 3 small bones, which are also known as ossicles, and the bones is malleus, incus, stapes. Due to their shapes, they are also known as hammer, anvil and stirrup. The stirrup is just like where you rest your feet when you are riding the horse. These small bones, which amplify the vibrations of the eardrum, increasing their force more than 20 times. Because, as we will see that the inner ear consists of a liquid, not air, so the vibration is must transfer into the liquid, and you might already know that vibrating and moving particles in air is much harder than the moving particles in liquid. Which is why it is very easy for you to swing your arms in air, and it difficult to in water, let's say in swimming pool. And also the liquid in vibration, the pressure has to be high enough. Ossicles increase the pressure of sounds about 20 times. In the inner ear, there are 3 small canals, which is also known as semicircular canals, and there are the organs of balance. The canals lie at the right angles to each other and have nerve cells in their walls. Liquid in the canals move when you move. This moving liquid is detected by the nerve cells, which send message to the brain. When you go off balance, your brain tells your muscles to keep you upright. These vibrations are detected by the nerve cells in the walls of the cochlea. Signals are passed from these nerves cells to the brain. The brain interprets these signals as the sound that you hear. Now we will cover the test yourself number 6 on the page number 26. The question number 1 is, why do we have two ears? The answer is, we have two ears, one on each side of the head. This helps us to tell where sound is coming from, means it tells about the direction of the sound. The question number 2 is, what do the air flaps do? The air flaps means pinna collects vibrations in the air and sends them down a short canal to the eardrum. The question number 3 is, describe how vibrations in eardrum are interpreted as sound. The answer is, air changes these vibrations into nerve impulses which travel to the brain where they are interpreted as a sound. The question number 4, explain how you keep your balance. The answer is, the semicircular canals are organ of the balance. Liquid in them detected by the nerve cells and these keep balance. Student, today we have learned the sense organs, which is ears, and the work of the ears, how do ear work. Okay students, stay safe at your home and keep praying for your country. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.